Yes, my people, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to do some orange chicken. So, we're gonna jump right into it because I already have most of my stuff prepped ready. So we're gonna just jump right into it. Right here, I have my chicken here. You know, my chicken is already no bones. It's just have these little bit of fat. I'm gonna clean them off and I'm gonna cut up my chicken to some bite size. I already washed my chicken, so I'm gonna jump right into it. And I'm gonna start to cut up my chicken. So you don't wanna, I'm gonna cut all these little pieces off. You don't need that. And we're gonna cut all the fat off of it. So we're just gonna cut them in small chunks. Just cut them in small chunks like this. Yeah, we're gonna cut them in small chunks, so not too small. So then we're gonna season the chicken. Yeah, we're gonna cut them just like that. I already washed them, so I wash them in vinegar. So I'm just gonna cut all those little pieces off. Make sure we get some nice size. It's gonna be various different sizes. Just some nice bite size. Just like that. So I'm using chicken thigh, deboned chicken thighs. So now I'm done with my chicken. I'm gonna just put a little seasoning on my chicken. I have some Maggi chicken seasoning, all purpose, and right here I have some total seasoning. So this is the total seasoning, and this is the Maggi chicken seasoning. So I'm just gonna season this. Yes, so I'm gonna season I'm rubbing my chicken. And right after this, I'm gonna just sort of fry my chicken. I'm gonna fry my chicken in some flour and cornstarch. So right here, I have my eggs. So I'm gonna crack my eggs and I'm gonna pour only the egg white. I don't want I don't want the yellow of the egg in there. I'm just gonna use the egg white. Only the egg white. Only the egg white. As you can see, I'm pouring the egg white only. Yeah, just pouring the egg white only. I don't want the yellow inside. I'm going to use 2 eggs. I'm just using the white of the egg only. I just need the white of the egg. I want it of the yellow get away, but I'm just using the egg white. So I'm gonna rub my chicken just with my egg white and my seasoning. All right. That is it for the chicken. I'm gonna leave it to marinate for a little bit while I get my grease prep and get it to temp so I can start fry my chicken. My cast iron skillet. So I have my oil here. I'm just using enough I can cover my chicken. So I'm gonna get my flour. I'm getting my flour and cornstarch. Over here, I have my green onion. I have my garlic. I have my honey. I have my soya sauce. And I have my grind chili. Those are what, and my orange juice over here. Those are what I'm going to use for my sauce, and my orange to grate so I can make my starch. And also I have my vinegar here. Okay, you can use whatever vinegar you choose. It doesn't matter. So stay tuned while I fry my chicken. I'm gonna jump right into my frying my chicken right now. So yes, my people, that's my flour right there. I'm putting two scoops of flour to half a scoop of cornstarch. Half a scoop of cornstarch. Just 2 scoops of flour. And we're gonna mix it up. Make sure it's all come together. I'm using my whisk so I can whisk it up, so I can get it all together. As soon as my oil come to a temp, then I'm gonna start to put my flour, my chicken, and put it in there. I'm dropping my chicken in here right away and start to flour my chicken. Get it prepared for my oil to get hot. Make sure you cover your chicken, all the chicken, or make sure you cover it in the flour and cornstarch. So we're making some orange chicken today. So yes, my people, so this is my thermometer. I want my oil to go to 300 degrees. So I'm testing my oil. Now it's at 250. Soon we get in there. I keep putting in my chicken in the flour. So now my grease is at 300 degrees. Now make sure you dust the flour off. When you use this kind of skillet, it keeps the temperature of the grease. You don't lose the temperature that easy. So you can, don't overcrowd it. Look at that. You're gonna get some nice brown fried chicken. So yes, my people, so as soon as my chicken fry, then we move on to the next process. So yes, my people, as soon as one side of the chicken fry, then you just turn it over, flip it over to the other side. I always flip my chicken a couple of times so it can properly cook. Yes, my people, it's getting there. You can see the color changing already, that's and how it's going to be flaky and nice. In the meantime, I'm about to cook a little pot of rice so we can have the rice with the chicken. I'm going to be washing my rice right now and put it to boil on the side. Checking on my chicken, my people. It'll soon be ready. So I'm turning it for the last time, flip it over for the last time. You have to be very dry and flaky. So yes, my people, my chicken is this set is almost ready. This set is almost ready. I can take this set out now. And put some more in. You see how dry, how dry and scripsy my chicken is? Look at that. And I'm gonna keep repeating this process until all my chicken is fried. Because of the cast iron, this grease keep the temperature. This is a good skillet to use, the cast iron skillet. So yes, my people, here's my rice. My rice is steaming while I'm still frying my chicken. And here's my chicken. This is the second batch. Yo, don't overcrowd your skillet. If you don't have a cast iron, don't overcrowd your skillet because it will lose the temperature. But because I have a cast iron, the cast iron keep the temperature. So I don't have to worry about it's gonna lose the temperature. We keep the same 350 degrees. So that is it. That is it, my people. Checking on the chicken, my people, to see how it's coming on. Almost there. I have to move them around so everything can cook evenly. I'm just moving it around so every novel gravel, all of it can cook evenly. Just make sure your oil cover your chicken all the time. That's a good look, my people. So yes, my people, checking on my chicken, and next, this is the final flip I'm going to give this chicken, and then we are going to make the sauce. Okay, this is looking really good. Give it another 2 minutes, 2 more minutes, and then we can take it out. I want it to be crunchy. And this chicken gonna be crunchy as can be. Look at that, my people. You see how crunchy it is? Look at it. It's about to come out of the pot right now. So yes, my people, I'm going to turn my stove off, and I'm taking all my chicken out. See how crunchy it is? That is good. That is good. So that is it for my chicken, my people. So now I'm about to make my sauce. I'm gonna make the sauce for my chicken right now. So yes, my people, so now is the time to make my sauce for my chicken. So I have soya sauce here. I'm going with half a cup of soya sauce. I have my honey here. I'm gonna go in with a little more than quarter cup of honey. And here is my orange juice. I'm going to go in with 200 liters of orange juice. And here's my grind chili. My grind chili. I'm going to go in with two tablespoons of chili. 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of grind chili. And also I have my garlic. I'm going to crush my garlic. I'm going to crush like 4 cloves of garlic. This crusher is my favorite. I do 5 cloves of garlic. I'm going to go in with half a cup of vinegar. And I'm going to make this boil. I'm going to let it sit there for a couple of minutes. And then I'm going to go with my thickener, my thickener. So this is 1 spoon cornstarch, and I'm going to add two spoons of water to my cornstarch. So 1 spoon of cornstarch to 2 spoons of water. So here's my cornstarch. Now I'm mixing it. I'm mixing it until there is no lump. No lump you should have in your cornstarch. None. Then I'm going to add my cornstarch to this. My cornstarch is my thickener. So I'm going to add my cornstarch to this ingredients. And I'm going to allow that to boil until it becomes thick. See, it start to come thickness, the thickness start to come there. You see that thick sauce? That's what you get. That's what you get, my people. Look at it. I'm going to add just a little more water. Just a little more water so it don't get too thick. And keep mixing this until it all come together. This is going to be spicy. It's supposed to be spicy. Don't put too much cornstarch in there, because if you put too much cornstarch, it's going to get too thick. And it's not going to able to, you're not going to able to control it. So you're going to have to put a little bit of cornstarch so you can able to control the thickness. You see how I control the thickness? Look at that. That's what you're looking for. That is what you're looking for. And you're going to leave it, you're going to allow the cornstarch to boil, because this cornstarch have to boil. But in the meantime, you don't want it to burn, so you're going to have to keep stirring it so it don't burn. And if you need to add more water, you add water. This is thick enough. That's the thickness I'm looking for. So when I put my chicken in there, it just cover over my chicken. And be careful the amount of soya sauce you use, because the soya sauce is salty. So you're gonna have to use a very little bit of soya sauce, not a lot. I'm gonna be adding a little more orange juice. And now I'm gonna grate my orange. I'm gonna grate my orange. So I'm grating my orange. You just want to get the skin off the orange. Just the skin you want to get off the orange. The rind. Don't grate it until it goes to the peel, to the white part. Just grate it until to get the rind off of it. Because that's all you need, the rind. Here you go. I'm gonna grate a little more. That is it, my people. That is it. And then you're going to continue to stir this and let it cornstarch cooking this with this orange. And then I'm going to add some tahini. That's the favorite part. Oh, this is smelling so delicious. I'm adding a little tahini. I have to put a little twist in my thing. You can do whatever you want to do with this. It's all yours. So I'm going to leave this on a low steam and let it cook. Just on a low steam. So yes, my people, I'm checking on my sauce. Look at this rich, thick sauce. I'm just giving it a couple more minutes so the cornstarch can boil properly. A couple more minutes and I can dip my chicken in there. Look how thick it is. It's ready to dip the chicken in there. I'll give it a couple more minutes. Just a couple more minutes. Seven minutes to boil, so the cornstarch boiled properly. I gave it 7 minutes and I'm still stirring it, so I know my cornstarch is really boiled. And now I'm gonna add my chicken and to drop them one by one. Look at that. I'm going to just keep turning them and then I take it out. It's just a dip. And I'm repeating the process over and over until my chicken is all dipped in there. As you can see, it's still bubbling because I still have it bubbling, so yes, my people, so I'm cutting up my green onion. So yes, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. So yes, my people, so my son is here. He's gonna taste the food and tell you how it is today. So we have the orange chicken with some rice. We just cooked the rice. You see that? Steaming hot. How it is?
Best orange chicken I ever had. Best one so far.
Okay. So what would you tell the people them about this chicken? Is it beat Panda Express?
Oh, definitely. Definitely better than Panda Express.
Okay. So now you hear from, not from me,
More
but
sweet too.
You hear that?
More sweet, sour, crunchy.
Look at that. Look at his face. Sweet. Look at his face. He said it's sweet and crunchy. Look at that. He's killing it. He's killing it. Yes, my people. So like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to like, share, and subscribe. Catch you on the next one. He's loving the chicken. Look at his face. Bye. So this is the end of my video, and catch you on the next one.